Namaskar, and you're watching Claptrap. We are back again. We welcome you once again and thanks a lot for being part of 6.75 lakhs Claptrap family members. Trust me, it's not just about numbers, it's about who they are. And all the Claptrap family members, they are amazingly gregarious, large-hearted, magnanimous people, those who have been showering love, not only on us, but also all the people that we have been featuring in our videos. Our videos are basically created with two mottos. One of them is to showcase some good products and also share some knowledge. That is the secondary. Thanks a lot for being Claptrap or part of Claptrap family member. Today we are in Luxuria Boutique Homes located in Hyderabad, one of the most prime location in the city. And this company is known for style because the owner of the company is very well exposed to the international market. He has been part of an international company before he started before the inception of this venture. Today we'll check out some furniture units, especially sofas. They all belong to, in fact, international is a very substandard word when it comes to quality they have created or they have given in this particular unit, or the initial units they have created something that will beat anybody hollow. We'll start with a very luxurious, extremely beautiful furniture unit that belongs to a Claptrap family members. I have personally met them. I know who am I talking about and he knows whom I'm talking about. Very soon, very shortly, he'll be featured on Claptrap as well. So let's take a small introduction of the company. Then we'll show you lots of furniture units, especially sofas. Let's take a small introduction now. Hello Gitesh ji.
Hello Sanjeev ji.
Welcome back to Claptrap.
Thank you very much and आपका भी बहुत स्वागत है हैदराबाद में.
Thank you very much, sir. If there is a sugar rush, we rush to sugar. Okay. So whenever there's a creativity rush, as in there's a deficit of creativity or there's a serious paucity of creativity in my life when it comes to home decor and furnishing, I rush to Hyderabad.
Yes, definitely. So okay. It's an honor for us.
All right, so
get the thing.
Right.
So people can feel free. They feel free. They come to us. They give us all the details that Gitesh, I need this design in this size, this shape, this color, and at almost this budget. So we analyze all the parameters of the client, see their space, and then suggest them, sir, this is perfect, or little tweaking has to be done so that this looks perfectly fitted in your house. Okay, and then we curate that product.
Okay.
So today we are going to show you two products the same way. The first two products will be the same way, which are specially curated for a designer.
Right.
Okay, for a client and for a space.
Done.
Where it has to go exactly. So we'll be showing all those details today. Two products we are showing to go like that today.
Alright, my excitement level has already gone up. You must have seen that. I'm fumbling like nobody's business.
Yes. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के दो सोफाज में से, जिसमें पहला सोफ़ा है ऐसा सोफ़ा है जिसको बनाने में इन द फैक्ट्री वी टुक अराउंड 22 to 25 days continuously without any break.
Okay.
One team was totally working on the sofa and it has come out very well. The weight of the sofa is total not less than 400 kgs.
No wonders there were more than 15 people who were working on that, right?
Yes.
It was like a whole gigantic ship.
Absolutely. So right. the sofa is more than 400 kgs and it has a very special journey because this is the only one sofa which is available and people are going to see it for the very first time. This is the model which has been never made before.
In India? In
India and outside India also.
Okay.
Because this is a fusion of two different designs.
Really?
So yes, so this is the first of its kind sofa that we are going to make it. In this, the client has also played a very important role with us in curating the model. It was his vision to have everything very properly designed, elementally designed and properly placed everywhere. So जो regular model है वो client को पसंद नहीं आ रहे थे, तो फिर इसलिए हमने साथ में बैठकर उनके साथ में मॉडल्स निकाला और उसके साथ में ये एक सोल्यूशन के साथ हम आए कि एक मॉडल का हम शेप एंड साइज लेंगे और सेकंड मॉडल का हम एलिमेंटल डिजाइन लेकर उसमें मर्ज करेंगे.
Done.
So this
He's
is
a
how it
Claptrap
came.
family member. We have met him.
Yes.
He's a connoisseur by nature. मतलब total art lover है वो.
Yes,
है ना?
total.
He's very particular when it comes to home decor or home design.
Very particular. He is making his home like his dream project and giving us 120%. हमारे से ज़्यादा efforts वो दे रहे हैं घर बनाने के लिए. इनफैक्ट हमें भी पुश वही कर रहे हैं कि हम वो लेवल पे पहुँचें और वो घर को उतना ब्यूटीफुल बनवाए.
चलिए, let's understand with sofa number 1 how the journey started. वहीं से स्टार्ट करते हैं.
Yes sir.
So designs आपके पास ready
So
हैं?
बहुत सारे designs देखने के बाद this was the design that we finalized. So basically this is C-shaped sofa he wanted, which can be kept together and also separated. ये 3 सीटर यहाँ लगाकर ये वाला सी शेप फ्यूचर में सामने भी लगा सके जैसा प्रोविजन चाहिए था उनको. एंड ही डिडंट वांटेड इट टू बी प्लेन, सो द मॉडल फाइनलाइज वाज दिस वन. सो इट वाज स्ट्रेट एंड कर्व.
Okay.
So this model was finalized, but if you can see this model has no element, it was plain. उसके आजू बाजू डेकोर के वजह से इमेज अच्छी लग रही थी. But now what we did was we identified another sofa, which was a 4-seater, and it had elemental designs on his hands. Side body अगर आप देखेंगे all butterfly knobs with knitting. This everything was there. So हमने ये decide किया इसमें कि ये element हम लोग इस सोफा पे लगाएंगे.
Okay.
पूरा.
So creating 2 different sofas in one.
2 different sofas in one. Handles इसके, body इसकी,
Okay.
shape and body इसकी.
Done. तो ये
Design
एक्सपर्टीज चाहिए आपको, ये बैलेंस भी आपको करना पड़ता है कि वो सही जाएगा कि नहीं जाएगा.
Yes, absolutely. So we have seen many sofas in this. 4-5 सोफा शॉर्टलिस्ट किया था इधर, यहाँ भी 4-5 सोफा शॉर्टलिस्ट किया था. देन वी केम अप टू अ ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्बिनेशन लाइक दिस. तो हमारे पास ये होने के बाद क्लाइंट को आउटर डायमेंशंस दिए जाते हैं कि दिस विल बी द साइज ऑफ द सोफा एंड दिस इज द शेप्स. इस पे ये फैब्रिक यूज होगा, इस पे इतने कुशन ये आएंगे. एवरीथिंग इज डिटेलली गिवन दिस वे.
Alright.
Which none other company except few international brands in India provides this way.
Alright, done. Let's reveal the real now from paper to reality.
Absolutely,
right?
sir.
Okay.
Let's do that. Yes, sir. So now you can see the model. So आपका मॉडल रेडी है. अभी अब हम बैक से देख रहे हैं मॉडल को पूरा.
Right.
इसको बैक में भी इतना इंट्रिकेट बनाया हुआ है क्योंकि इट हैज बैक विजिबिलिटी ऑल्सो.
Right.
This is going to be placed in the center of a hall, where the entire side, back portions and everything is visible to all the guests, those who are coming to the house. This is for the formal drawing room that we have made. Yeah.
Done. एंड ये क्योंकि स्टूडियो है और जहाँ पे मैं तो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग राइट वर्ड्स ओनली आफ्टर हैविंग सीन दिस. ऑफ कोर्स मैंने पहले भी देखा था, बट लुक एट द साइज, लुक एट द वॉल्यूम.
दिस इज ह्यूज, दिस इज ह्यूज. ये वाला पार्ट 10 फीट है और वो वाला पार्ट आपका 13 फीट है.
ओके.
10 feet by 13 feet. That means if I divide 2 feet per seat.
Alright.
So this is 7 plus 5, 13-seater sofa.
13-seater sofa.
13-seater sofa is going to be placed there. इसलिए हमारे पास शोरूम में भी उतनी जगह, एक्चुअली वॉल का साइज वो है नहीं ताकि हम वो बता सकें और उसको जस्टिस दे पाएं. इट रिक्वायर्स अ ह्यूज एंड ह्यूमंगस हॉल.
Exactly.
जहाँ पर अब ये प्लेस होने वाला है वो अराउंड 25 feet by 30 feet की स्पेस है.
Right. Done. Talking about the tufting part now, these are the butterfly clips around it.
Yes.
And this is Chesterfield. There are 2 types of Chesterfield. There's a purpose behind it.
Yes sir, the regular Chesterfield is just folding of the material. इसमें क्या होता है, ये जो आप फैब्रिक का ये जो जॉइंट देख रहे हो ना, so this fabric or leather is first cut in that shape, zigzag shape में पूरे कट होते हैं pieces.
Okay.
And then they are folded and stitched again in that part. तो तभी उसमें ये अपने को डेप्थ मिलता है और ये फिनिशिंग आती है. If we are not doing that and just having the folding, वो फोल्डिंग निकलने का और कोई अलग अलग साइज का होने का डर हो जाता है.
Exactly. यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं ये वाले साइड में जो स्ट्रेट लाइन साइड में है, वहाँ पे सीधा पंचिंग है और
Yes.
कट करके बनाया हुआ है.
Yes.
जबकि कर्वेशियस साइड में डिजाइन एलिमेंट डिफरेंट है.
कर्वेचर साइड में हमने क्या किया है, यही लाइन को हमने मैच किया है विदाउट दैट पैटर्न, बिकॉज ये बहुत बड़ा पीस आ रहा था एंड एक लाइन में अगर हमें मैच करना होता है तो दैट पार्ट एंड दिस पार्ट शुड मैच इन वन लाइन, इसलिए इसको ऐसा किया हुआ है.
Alright,
क्रिएटिंग 2 elements in one sofa so that if it is placed aside at a different angle also, then both are different identity. अगर एक साथ लग गया तो it's a part of that.
Okay. Still they don't belong to different families. They
Yes.
belong to the same fabric basis पे देखें तो they belong to the same
सेम
category.
फैमिली, सेम कैटेगरी. उसके बाद ये
Oh.
एक्सटेंडेड लाउंजर सीट है इसका, सो दैट इफ दे वांट टू हैव सम क्वालिटी टाइम लाइंग डाउन और स्प्रेडिंग सम स्टफ देयर किड्स
Okay.
के लिए, तो दिस इज द स्पेस फॉर देम.
All right. Huge.
या
Massive it is, right? Literally. Okay. So now the element part, the metal pop-up.
the metal pop-up in the handle. So this is the extended part of the handle. पूरा body से handle अलग से ऊपर से fit हुआ है ये.
Okay.
With this design totally made and then punch from inside the sofa. तो
Okay.
ये सोफा बनाने में प्रॉब्लम 2 तरीके की आती है. एक तो स्टिचिंग कारीगर और मशीनरी आपके पास में बेस्ट होनी चाहिए. सेकेंड स्ट्रक्चरल वर्क भी जो बनाता है सोफे का, वो भी बंदा बेस्ट होना चाहिए ताकि वो दोनों जेल हो जाए और एक ही साइज, एक ही शेप, एक ही कॉम्बिनेशन के दिखे। थर्ड थिंग इज हर एक स्टेज पे इसको स्टॉप करना होता है। मतलब पहले स्ट्रक्चर बना, फोमिंग होगी, पहले बाहर का एलिमेंट लगेगा, फिर अंदर का एलिमेंट लगेगा, फिर ऊपर का हैंडल ड्रेप होगा। सो इट इज लाइक उसको अभी इसकी ये हैंडल अगर लगाना है ऊपर से तो स्क्रू मार नहीं सकते हम।
ट्रू ट्रू।
सो पहले हैंडल का पार्ट बनेगा, ऊपर का ड्रेप होगा, सामने का पीस लगेगा, देन हैंडल फिनिश होगा, फिर सीट फिनिश होगी उसकी। सो इट वाज वेरी टीडियस वर्क टू गेट दिस सोफा डन। वी हैव टेकन इट एज अ चैलेंज एंड वी हैव गॉट इट डन।
ऑलराइट।
But it was what do you say, an experience for us also.
Right.
And this is what has come out.
Okay.
Now,
I think when you have a sofa like humongous like this, you definitely cannot have it floated one. You need to have a thick 2 layers of mattresses
absolutely
to make it look heavy.
It make it look
Otherwise
heavy.
Otherwise it
and
will look very incomplete.
Yes, make it look heavy also, as well as sustainable for the future.
Exactly.
And ये मॉडल्स का कैसा होता है संदीप जी, ये कहीं पर भी रेगुलरली अवेलेबल नहीं होते हैं ये साइजेस में।
Right.
ठीक है, आपको मिल जाएगा 3 सीटर, 4 सीटर, 5 सीटर, 6 सीटर तक मिल जाएगा, 7 सीटर मिल जाएगा सी शेप में।
Done.
उसके ऊपर नहीं मिलता है। 13 सीटर इज लाइक हेल लॉट ऑफ इम्पॉसिबल टू गेट एट एनी डिस्प्ले।
True.
वो
Very
कस्टम
true.
में ही जाना पड़ेगा।
Very
जब
true.
हम कस्टमाइज कराते हैं एक बिलीफ सिस्टम के साथ में करवाते हैं क्लाइंट और हमारे साथ में कि हम भी वो रेट में उनको बना के देंगे और उनको वो क्वालिटी जो चाहिए वो भी मिलेगी।
Done.
थोड़ा 1920 when we are making a project image to this होता है। Now the client and the audience will decide, Claptrap family members will decide whether we have made justice to this or not.
This has come out really well. I think it's 10 on 10, and it's a difficult task to actually make these kind of things because you need to have skilled labor, you need to have right
Very
kind of
difficult.
material, otherwise you cannot make it. Because whenever you create something curvaceous, you need to have material also very strong and sturdy.
Yes.
Imagine when it is being transported. Now look at it from a different perspective, the logistic perspective. If the structure is weak, if it is not very strong, it will actually break half
off.
of it, right?
Break off there only.
Right? So you need to have very, very strong material used in this. What is
Yes.
that fabric that we have used here?
This is eco leather, sir.
Okay.
Totally on the sofa.
Same can be replicated with other fabric
material,
as well. Leather,
anything.
pure
it can
leather
be.
also.
Yes, yes.
Right, done. This has come out really well. I don't know how will you calculate the price part of it.
Sir, we have not yet calculated the price part of it. It was a bulk order given by the client, so we had made it. But now the team will actually calculate the price part of it, and we will reveal this price to all the customers who are
Right. Okay.
really interested in taking this. And
We'll
if you
work
have any
upon
inquiries
that.
on that.
Done. It's a Claptrap family member's house that is being made. That's his sofa. We have met him, as we said. Now the second part. One last question about this. How do you fix the center table? Because this has got straight line and curve both.
The center table for this sofa, we are planning little circle nesting, two or three set of cluster nesting tables here.
Okay.
So that it will be very easy for the person sitting at that end and this end also to easily pull and have height or so. There will be one big center table in the center and 2 or 3 clusters of center tables so that they can be moved here.
All right.
Nesting tables.
Okay. Let's move on to the next one now. That is again is a flagship sofa.
That is again a flagship sofa. People might have seen that sofa in 2-seater, 1-seater, 3-seater.
Or international videos.
On all international videos and luxury showrooms in India. But here we are going to show that sofa in approximately 15 feet long
Okay.
seater.
All right. This also has a story like this.
This also has a story like this. We started from an image. We started from that. We liked the model. The customer wanted to have the same look of the model.
Can we have it? Can we
Yes.
have a look at it?
Yes.
That's called the methodological way of working rather
Yes.
than going it randomly. I have seen a lot of people in and around Delhi and of course in the whole India. Generally they just draw, they just pull out a piece of paper, they just draw a line, they write numbers, they write length, depth manually and then just start making it.
So that's the difference between working a corporate style company and a regular manufacturer. यहाँ पर हमारा
Whole
R&D
India is
जाता
working
है.
that way.
हमारा R&D जाता है सर and moreover if you can see the measurements that we have written here before manufacturing and after the manufacturing the measurements they
Okay.
are mm to mm not inch to inch.
All right, you compare reality
yes.
to paper.
Mm to mm same.
Okay, done.
So what happens is when the client sees 4320 here there is 4220 there, 4550
done.
there. So this was the image that the client has shared. This was their view of the entire room. So they wanted this sofa, which was a 4-seater here, 2-seater here, a single seater here. So now the problem with them was they wanted it to be 15 feet long. So they didn't want it two pieces.
Oh, that was a space requirement.
That was a space requirement. They wanted it a 15 feet long sofa because the hall was 21 feet. And they didn't want it to have 3 seater के 2 pieces which were regularly.
Units, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So they ये सोफे का खासियत यही है कि ये शो स्टॉपर है उनके लिविंग रूम का. So उस पे zero compromise चाहिए था क्लाइंट को. And this client he doesn't want to compromise anywhere in his house.
Right.
ठीक है.
Let's reveal it now.
Yes. So this is the entire model.
Okay.
2-seater because of the space.
I mean, all of us know that the brand, right?
Yes.
And I am sure we have matched almost 100% of the total.
100%, so pin to point, and even we have added few Indian standards to this, like our expertise from our previous generations working in this industry. For mopping and cleaning, we have added 4 inches skirting in the bottom.
Okay.
Instead of fabric in the original. So that whenever the client's house is getting cleaned, the sofa doesn't get dirty as it's pure suede there.
Okay.
And it's a very light color if you can see.
Yeah, it's a beige color sofa.
The sofa is not at all making justice in my showroom because my showroom is also made only with respect to 4-seater or 2-seaters. 4, 3, 2-seaters.
All right.
Not 8-seaters or 10-seaters.
I know, and there are other things also, na Gitesh ji. Whenever you are placing a sofa to, at a particular place, you need to have a lot of other ambience things, like ambience lighting, your back paneling, your decor items, your carpet, everything has to match.
Everything. So when the sofas are kept in the entire house, we will definitely show our Kapla family members how they
then it will have its own beauty.
Yes.
Yeah? You will figure it out.
100%.
And this chair, if you look at it, very different.
Yeah.
The Chesterfield is done.
The Chesterfield is done, the same fabric buttoning is done, and even the distance between 2 chesters is perfectly matched. The drapes are proper. Everything is good. बॉटम पूरा स्टेनलेस स्टील 304 ग्रेड का स्ट्रिप लगा है इसमें.
Okay.
अगर क्लाइंट को चाहिए तो फ्रेम भी लग सकता है पूरा, बट इतना लेंथ का फ्रेम बनाना भी इज अ बिग जाइगेंटिक टास्क.
Okay, likewise in the previous one also, right? We have used metal.
Yes.
We could have used metal strips as well, but that will cost bomb.
मेटल फ्रेम विल कॉस्ट बॉम्ब. वी हैव यूज्ड मेटल स्ट्रिप्स, बट क्या होता है मेटल फ्रेम्स का भी एक लिमिट तक में 7 फीट 8 फीट 10 फीट तक में मेटल फ्रेम्स बन सकता है पीवीडी के हमारे प्लांट में. उसके अलावा में अगर हमें बड़ा चाहिए तो उससे बड़ा चेंबर चाहिए होगा. तो 10 फीट से बड़ा चेंबर इंडिया में ही नहीं है.
बिल्कुल ठीक बात है. उसकी फिर जॉइंट आएगा उसमें. उसके बाद भी क्या होगा, 2 मेटल फ्रेम का जॉइंट दिखेगा. तो जब जॉइंट दिखना ही था, सो वी थॉट we'll do in metal strip only and try to avoid all the joints. And if you can see here, starting से लेकर जहाँ तक वो पार्ट पीस है वहाँ तक एक भी जॉइंट हमने नहीं दिया है. Exactly.
It is a metal strip but looking like a metal frame only.
And this is the maximum length we can achieve.
Yes, that is the maximum length that we can achieve in metal strip.
Done.
8 फीट का स्ट्रिप आता है, हमने 7.5 फीट का सोफा बनाया है.
Okay.
That's the beauty. And even if you can see this part, that I like to highlight the difference between Luxurio doing the work or any other brand doing the work. If you can see, this is also metal strip. Metal strip का क्या करते हैं लोग, सामने से metal strip चिपका देते हैं, यहाँ कट करते हैं और वहाँ से कर यहाँ पर जॉइंट दिखता है ब्लैक कलर का. But you can see as we have having our machineries in bending and all, हमने metal strip को फ्रेम के जैसा बेंड किया है पूरा.
Right. ये जो शेडो दिख रहा है, रिफ्लेक्शन है, ये कार्पेट का ग्रीन कलर है.
Yes.
Right. Okay. इसको एक बार हटा के दिखा देते हैं
Yes.
कि ये this is not the color. This how it looks like. Okay.
So there is no black joint visible. It is looking like frame only. So this was also a challenge for us. We have never done, क्योंकि हमारे पास मेटल फ्रेम्स की फैसिलिटी है
जी.
हमने कभी सोफा स्ट्रिप को टर्न करके उतना टाइम देकर बनाने का सोफे को ध्यान नहीं दिया. फ्रेम बना के हम लगा देते थे. बट अभी यहाँ पर क्लाइंट का पूरा था कि नहीं, इसको इसी में करना है, तो वो हिसाब से हमको इसको मेटल स्ट्रिप यूज करना पड़ा. बट वी आर वेरी सैटिस्फाइड विद द वर्क कि मेटल स्ट्रिप में भी ये अचीवमेंट आ गया है. तो जो क्लाइंट्स खाली फ्रेम की वजह से कॉस्ट फैक्टर को छोड़ देते थे सोफा को, उनके लिए भी हमारे पास में ये सोल्यूशन भी आ गया है. सो दिस मेकिंग दिस सोफा इज आल्सो गिवन एज वन सोल्यूशन फॉर अदर क्लाइंट्स.
ओके. Now some technical questions. Generally people tend to ask these things. Cushions are filled with something else. Cushion material is different.
Cushion is breathable Recron, totally polyfiber. It will take a body shape. अगर आप देख रहे हो मैं दबा रहा हूँ cushion.
Done.
it is again breathing and coming back.
Coming
So
back to the
everyone with air pockets के साथ में सोफा बना है. Comfortable sofa, sitting में आप 3 to 4 hours. Bare minimum, if you can see the cushion only, you can understand कि इसमें बैठ सकते हैं उतना time.
Exactly.
There
I
is
have
no
been
2
sitting
inch,
on
3
this.
inch, 4 inch. This is gigantic cushioning done.
Right.
Like mattress technology पूरा. तो वो हमने अपना level best तो दिया है इसके पीछे. ठीक है, हमें पता है कि इसमें एक आधी खामी भी आई है. वो जो नेक्स्ट मॉडल में हम लोग चाहेंगे कि नहीं आए.
Okay, done. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I don't know. Maybe because of the joint you're talking about.
No, because
joint
of
तो ऐसे ही रहेगा इसमें. You can't help it because these are 2 units.
रहेगा, but we are thinking of something there we can avoid that also.
But then it doesn't become portable. You cannot port it.
No. We have ordered one mechanism, clamping mechanism, where जो ये दोनों जब joint हो जाएंगे तो आपको खाली बस एक line दिखेगी.
Okay.
अभी puffing है.
Done. But I was talking to your production team. They were saying that still this has to be filled. इसमें एक mechanism है already इसमें भी.
वो client के बोलने पर लगाया जाएगा. mechanism order हो गया है. अगर उनको अलग करना है फ्यूचर में तो mechanism नहीं लगाएंगे.
अच्छा.
अगर एक ही साथ रखना है तो mechanism लगाएंगे. एंड ये गैप अभी हमने रखा हुआ है यहाँ पर.
अच्छा.
यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे ये हैंडल पे भी सेम प्रोट्रूडिंग आउट है यहाँ पर.
अच्छा.
तो ये बाहर निकल रहा है इसीलिए. और यहाँ पर भी फोम दिया है ताकि वो दोनों अलग अलग हो सके.
Okay.
अगर ज्वाइन करना होगा तो यहाँ पर का फोम अवॉइड करेंगे और क्लैंपिंग मैकेनिज्म इसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे.
Oh, okay. I've seen that in Turkey. They just make it like hook to hook.
Yes.
So it gets
मेल
fixed.
फीमेल हुक आएगा, बीच में से थ्रेडिंग होकर अंदर चला जाएगा वो.
All right. Okay. So congratulations for making such a gigantic ship. Very huge, very luxurious.
Very huge. We are just like crossing our hands कि ये ट्रांसपोर्ट में डैमेज ना हो.
नहीं आई नो यू नोन फॉर इट. यस्टरडे हम लोग कल रात को भी बात कर रहे थे आपके प्रोडक्शन टीम एंड लॉजिस्टिक पार्टनर से. They were saying that there was somebody placed an order in Hyderabad only and the sofa was supposed to go on 3rd floor. They did not tell you that the aisle was very limited.
Sir, yesterday's delivery
You had tough time, right?
The client has called us around 20 times. So वहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम ये हो गया था कि उनका सोफा का साइज था 48 इंचेस बाय 36 इंचेस फ्रॉम ऑल साइड्स. 48, 36, 36. सो कहीं पर भी उसको लेके जाने के लिए 36 इंचेस तो बेयर मिनिमम हमें चाहिए.
Exactly. Sometimes even little more.
We need
for the moment.
सर 36 का सोफा है, 2 हाथ पकड़ेगा बंदा. तो 40, 42 इंच, 6 इंच तो बढ़ के चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
वहाँ हमारे पास में जो था 6 इंच कम था. 30 इंचेस वाज ओनली अवेलेबल. सो सोफा उसके दरवाजे के अंदर ही नहीं घुस रहा है, सीढ़ियों से ऊपर ही नहीं जा रहा है.
Right.
So it
I
was
think these
very
kind of
hectic.
basic information you need to share with your manufacturer. Then only they can make it easy for you. But what he was sharing with me, may I complete the whole story?
Yes.
If you allow me, and I'll edit if you tell me. They said that the truck जिसके अंदर वो लोड होके गया था, उसके ऊपर उन्होंने वुड का प्लैंक बनाया, एक फ्लोर के ऊपर चढ़ाया, फिर फर्स्ट फ्लोर वालों को से फिर जितने भी ऑल आर पर्सनल्स दे वेंट टू द फर्स्ट फ्लोर, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट फ्लोर टू द सेकंड फ्लोर, फ्रॉम सेकंड फ्लोर टू द थर्ड फ्लोर.
आउटर ओनली दे हैव शिफ्टेड द सोफा टोटली. मतलब ग्राउंड से फर्स्ट के बालकनी में, फर्स्ट से सेकंड के बालकनी में, सेकंड से थर्ड के बालकनी में गया, फिर उनका विंडो खोला गया.
And you cannot even uncover it because you have to take care of it. There should be no wear and tear.
So we have to open the entire French window of the client from the balcony and then deliver it inside. It was an hectic job. The client knew that his stairs were smaller, shorter. वहाँ से नहीं जाएगा डोर में से, but still they gave us the order of those dimensions.
Okay.
So that was little problematic. We faced the issues, but ultimately problem solve हो गया था कल उनके साथ.
All right.
So we were very happy after doing that work, and those products were also very fabulous.
Chaliye. Let's take a small break now. We'll continue shooting now. We'll show more sofas, right? Okay.
Done. Yes, sir. Chaliye. Bye bye.
Let's show it to our viewers now. Last time also we featured something like this.
Yes, sir.
Not exactly the same color. Different tone में था वो शायद.
Almost bluish ही था sir.
Okay.
Yeah, almost bluish था, but ये color अभी trend में है. That is why we are using this color.
Acha, this has become like the face of the company.
Not face of the company. People are wanting something to be little bluish, aqua blue, green blues.
Okay.
They are in trend right now.
Okay, in correspondence to our off-camera conversation, this has become a hotcake. This sold very well.
Yes, sir.
Any particular reason why people loved it?
Two things: aesthetics, design, comfort level. जो इसका 10 इंच के आसपास का मैट्रेस है इसमें, उसका comfort level is too good.
Okay.
ठीक है, दिस इज फॉर ऑल पीपल हु हैव ऑर्थोपेडिक के लिए भी काम में आ जाएगा, बच्चों के लिए भी है, बड़ों के लिए भी है.
Right.
ऑल हाइट्स, दिस सोफा सपोर्ट्स हाइट्स फ्रॉम 5 feet to 6 feet 6 inches tall people.
To the short
From 5
side.
feet to 6 feet 6 inches.
tall. Okay, done.
Everyone can sit very comfortably on this.
All right. I'm not saying that I was overconfident, but I was kind of convinced that this will sell very well for 2-3 reasons. First of all, this gives you multiple utility.
Yes.
Living room में बैठने के अलावा this can be used for lying down purposes, for long-term seating, you're
Yes.
watching television, enjoying your sight, right? Or probably you can have a family conversation.
Yeah, spending quality time with family.
Right, exactly. And the size is also good and premium segment fabric I have seen. I
Yes.
mean, it feels amazing.
Yes.
और जब भी जहाँ पे भी आप बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम के लिए सोफास को यूज़ करते हैं वहाँ पे लगने वाले फैब्रिक भी आपके मुझे लगता है प्रीमियम होने चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise they'll wear it out over the period of time.
Absolutely.
Right? Okay, so this is one. And this is half sectional and half L corner. तो हर घर में इसे आप स्पेशली अपार्टमेंट्स में
ये
होता
कहीं
है.
पर भी जा सकता है सर, विलास में, अपार्टमेंट्स में, लिविंग रूम में, ड्राइंग रूम में, एवरीवेयर. This is a model which can fit at any place. If the person wants it, he can take it and use it anywhere.
All right, done. And I like it for the sleek legs, very smart and sleek pencil legs without
Yes.
making very obnoxiously loud.
Yes.
And there's another thing. I'm sorry giving too much of information. Okay, people can troll me for this. Thank you for not making center table with lot of fabric. they look ugly. Sorry
Yes.
to say that, but they don't look good.
They don't look good. Center tables, they should be in marble, glass, metal. That's it.
All right. How much is this for this L corner?
सर दिस एल कॉर्नर, जैसा हमारे पास 3 कैटेगरी है प्राइसिंग के, गोल्ड, डायमंड, प्लैटिनम.
Okay.
तो बीइंग द टॉप मोस्ट कैटेगरी डायमंड में ये पड़ जाएगा आपको 50,000 रुपीज पर सीट का. प्लैटिनम कैटेगरी में अराउंड 35,000 रुपीज पर सीट का, और गोल्ड कैटेगरी में आपको पड़ जाएगा अराउंड 22,000 रुपीज पर सीट का.
ओके, ये कैटेगरी जब चेंज होंगी तो क्या फैब्रिक मटेरियल चेंज होंगे?
Yes, sir.
साइज चेंज होंगे?
यस, नहीं सर, साइज सेम रहेगा, लुक सेम रहेगा, फिनिशिंग भी सेम रहेगी. द ओनली डिफरेंस विल बी इन द सॉलिड वुड, इन द मटेरियल यूज्ड इन मेकिंग इट, इन द फैब्रिक. जैसा वो जो फैब्रिक होगा अराउंड 500 रुपए मीटर का होगा अगर गोल्ड में होगा तो, और 2,500 रुपए मीटर का होगा अगर डायमंड में होगा तो.
Alright.
प्लैटिनम में होगा तो 1,500 रुपए मीटर का होगा.
चलिए,
So
ठीक
this makes a lot of difference in the costing. So 22,000 से लेकर 50,000 रुपीज पर सीट, 1 year to 5 year वारंटी. कस्टमर को यूसेज के हिसाब से वी विल सजेस्ट कि उनको कौन सा वाला लेना चाहिए.
चलिए, ठीक है. Now lines are in. I've been reading when I was coming to meet you. I picked up one of the magazines which is recently published by Magna Publication. They say these lines are very in these days.
Yes.
Right? So these smart chairs has got beautiful metal lines in this.
Yes, sir.
And how much is this for?
This metal chair set of 2 pieces is 1.5 lakh rupees
Okay.
in the offer right now. And in the last video also we have featured it. In fact, from past 3 videos we are featuring it, and every video it is a success.
Okay, done. 1.5 like some people, I mean those who don't know this, just give little detail about the metal part of it.
Sir, I'll tell you, whoever wants to get the justification of this chair, just please try to come here, try to move it with one hand, and then you will get to know why is this chair priced at that price.
I was just thinking, freak. I don't know. Let's call a stranger because it should not look like a cooked up story. But
that is why I'm telling. They can come here, they can experience it, and then they will only tell ki, "Bhaiya, please take 25,000 extra for this."
okay, so Claptra family members, Gitesh is giving you this challenge. If you are coming to lift this, come with JCB.
We usually call 5 to 6 people to lift this chair. And
I know
load it.
it's actually. I mean, we don't have a tendency to make fun, but trust me, it's like
It's
a comic
too
story.
heavy.
It's
It's
very
too heavy.
Yeah, I know. Okay,
And-
so I'm done with my biceps. Let's move. 1.5 lakhs. Let's move on to the next one now. Furniture is a serious business.
Yes, sir.
But sometimes we do it just to make it a little lighter, and also for the people those who do not understand the value of a product.
Absolutely.
Right. Let's go to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My favorite. I just loved it for the color.
You want me to sit and recline?
Yeah, please do that.
Or Yashika can do that.
Okay. Anybody can do it. Yeah, please go.
You can
please
sit and
tell
recline.
me. All right. So this is
And I
what
will
we were
explain when
features.
she is reclining. संजीव जी, अब ये देखिए, खूबसूरत एल शेप सोफा विद अ लाउंजर इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू अ रिक्लाइनर.
We featured this last time also.
Yes, we featured this last time also. So now what is happening is, normally recliners are bulkier. and they stand out in the house. But here we have configured the recliner in such a way that the neck rest is adjustable, the reclining is adjustable, and in the meantime you use it as a sofa, use it as a recliner as well.
Okay. Oh, that's manually. Oh, okay. Motorized.
Yes.
Last time I remember you shared an idea with us. There's a calf support as well.
Yes.
Okay. And then what is the material that we have used as
This is
upholstery?
pure leather in this, sir. As the upholstery. Whatever you see, the entire part is pure leather. The neck rest, the body, everything. It is not even body touch where the backside is leatherite or fabric or अस्तर. पीछे भी पूरा, sides भी पूरा leather ही use किया हुआ है
Okay.
इसमें. Yes.
Done. And how much is this for?
So this sofa MRP is 2,99,000. If the customer is taking the same piece, we are giving it flat 50% off. If they are customizing, then 25% off.
All right. Okay. This boucle is in. I have noticed when you were not here, I reached before you. I was checking out some of the fabrics with you.
Yes.
Boucle, and you must have seen already, the boucle is actually trending
The
these
boucle
days.
is trending it was trending in Delhi from past 3 to 6 months. Now in Hyderabad also, the trend has flowed. So people are asking for boucle. We have delivered one set with boucle. We have delivered bed in boucle.
Oh,
so
okay.
people are now asking things in that.
But Gitesh, there are different versions available. Boucle is not very static material that is available for one single price range.
Yes.
In fact, they are available in different price ranges.
Sir, it totally depends on the density. बोकले ऐसा मटेरियल है जो GSM पे नहीं डेंसिटी पे चलता है.
Exactly.
जितना डेंस उसका फैब्रिक होगा उतना अच्छा क्वालिटी होगा.
All right. In your absence, I sneaked out and took a sneak peek in your wardrobe. One of the boucle fabric I have seen with you.
Yes.
That's very teddy.
Yes.
Very, 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 very soft.
The soft, it is soft like a fur.
Yeah, I've seen
So
that.
it totally depends on what quality we are making and what the pricing goes on.
All right.
Regular normal बोकले में अगर आप करते हो तो प्राइस कम हो जाता है, बट फर वाले उसमें करते हो तो प्राइसिंग बहुत इंक्रीज हो जाता है.
Okay, don't call cops for intruding in your privacy. I checked in the wardrobe. That was very nice. Okay, cool. How much is this chair for?
This chair is for 50,000 rupees.
50.
50.
Okay, done. Moving on to the next one now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this two-seater you explained last time.
Last time as well, the comfort level, the cushioning, everything we have explained. So today we'll be only talking about the price of this two-seater.
Okay.
So this two-seater is priced MRP at 1,49,000 rupees, and after discount the price of this is 75,000 rupees.
All right. I got to see this chair today when I was coming. Karan Johar's bedroom has got this chair. Same color, same design, everything same.
Yes. So in this, the pricing which I told you is of diamond category. In this, if the client wants at a lesser price, we can surely change the metal to fabric and do other changes.
But I think it will kill the beauty because already there's a very thick mattress.
मैं वो क्यों बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है फिर 75,000 रुपीस बोलने के बाद में कुछ लोग बोलेंगे एक्सपेंसिव है. तो
अच्छा.
उनको समझाने के लिए यही है कि आप जो क्वालिटी ले रहे हो वो 75,000 की है ये. अगर आप हमें अगर आप बोलो कि मेरे को 40,000 में चाहिए तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा वो हम आपको बताएंगे. दिस इज लाइक फुली लोडेड कार.
मतलब खराब करके लोगे तो कैसे लोगे?
खराब नहीं करेंगे सर. उसका कैसा हो जाएगा, मेटल थिकनेस कम हो जाएगा. 6 इंच की जगह 2 इंच का हो जाएगा. सीट 8 इंच की जगह पे 6 इंच की हो जाएगी. वो डिफरेंसेस आ जाएगा.
ओके, मैं तो ये बोलूंगा कि अगर आपको स्पार्कलिंग ही चाहिए तो बाय प्योर डायमंड्स, अदरवाइज डोंट बाय समथिंग एल्स. नो, राइट?
बट वी हैव टू शो देम द वैरायटी टू बाय डायमंड्स. ना.
ओके, डन. सो आई वाज सेइंग मेरे को 2-3 चीजें लगा था जिसमें इसका कॉस्ट वेरिएशन आएगा. एक तो फैब्रिक कॉस्ट बहुत ज्यादा है.
यस.
फैब्रिक की क्वालिटी प्रीमियम है.
फैब्रिक का क्वांटिटी और क्वालिटी दोनों भी मैटर कर रहा है.
प्लीट्स बहुत है ना इसके अंदर. दूसरा मैट्रेस का थिकनेस है वो बहुत मैटर कर रहा है.
यस, दैट इज अराउंड 12 इंचेस.
राइट. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स द मेटल पार्ट. ओके, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दो इंटरनल.
तो वही अगर आपको प्लीट्स नहीं चाहिए, प्लेन फैब्रिक कर दिया तो 3 गुना पैसा बच गया.
ओके, ठीक है. इसका मैगजीन अगर आपको रेफरेंस लेना है तो इस मंथ जो बुक है मैगजीन आया एल डेकोर, उसमें करण जौहर के घर को फीचर किया है. सॉरी, एडी के अंदर. सॉरी, एडी. उसके अंदर आप देखेंगे सोफा उसके बेडरूम में है. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट वन.
यस सर.
जी.
सो दिस इज एन एल शेप सोफा विद अ लाउंजर. Same, you can use it for your drawing room, living room, home theater, anywhere that you want to. This is made in now eco leather.
Okay.
ठीक है. जो पहले वाला हमने सोफा देखा था वो प्योर लेदर में था. ये आर्टिफिशियल लेदर है, इको लेदर कर. दिस हैज ऑल मेरिट्स ऑफ लेदर एंड डजंट हैव इट्स डीमेरिट्स
At all.
Yes. So there is no demerit in this. Expansion नहीं होगा, chipping नहीं होगा, deteriorate नहीं होगा. Nothing will happen to this.
Done. And
Yes.
this is a little smaller than the first one that we got to see.
ऑलमोस्ट सेम साइज, बस थोड़ा हाइट और स्लीकनेस की वजह से अपने को ऐसा लग रहा है।
Done. वो गिरीश जी, एक सवाल मुझे आपसे पूछना था कि ये डिटैचेबल कुशंस होते हैं, बैक कुशंस जितने भी होते हैं, तो ये लिविंग रूम के सोफाज में अगर आप देखें तो जनरली ये बड़े डिटैचेबल जैसे ही होते हैं, लोग जनरली प्रेफर करते हैं। इसके पीछे एक मेथड है, मतलब देयर इज अ रीजन बिहाइंड इट।
यस,
डिटैचेबल इसलिए क्योंकि अगर आपको लंबे टाइम तक बैठना और आपको लेटना पड़े तो आप निकाल सकते हैं उनको।
निकाल सकते हैं। एंड मोर ओवर क्या होता है, डिटैचेबल कुशन में एयर पासिंग इजी होती है।
अच्छा।
जब आप बैठते हो आपका बॉडी का प्रेशर कुशन पे गिरता है, सो उसके अंदर जब पॉलीफाइबर जो होता है उसके अंदर जो एयर गैप्स होते हैं उसके अंदर से एयर निकलती है और आपका बॉडी शेप लेता है कुशन।
अच्छा।
यस, सो व्हेन यू पुश द कुशन, डिटैचेबल कुशन को, सो नाउ see these are called breathable, we call it to be breathable cushions. So it takes your body shape
Okay.
when you are sitting, it gives you comfort, then when you get up it's again
It
पीछे
comes
से
back
हवा
to
वापस सक कर लेता
original
है।
shape.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the beauty of detachable cushions. वही अगर आपका फिक्स्ड कुशन रहेगा ना, उसमें ये फीचर आना मुश्किल है।
All right. तो level of comfort goes down.
Level of comfort goes on. That is why fixed cushions are used for drawing rooms and detachable cushions are used for living room.
Exactly. यही हमको छोटा सा पीस ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन हमारे व्यूअर्स को देना था कि क्वेश्चंस क्यों अटैच होते हैं, क्यों डिटैचेबल होते हैं, इसलिए।
Yes.
बाकी मुझे लगता था एक और फायदा भी है कि यू कैन पुल देम ऑफ, सपोज यू वांट टू, यू कैन probably throw them down on the carpet
Yes.
and just lie down
Yes,
and
absolutely.
then rearrange it.
Yes.
चलिए, how much is this for?
So this set starts at 1,30,000 rupees.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
लास्ट वीडियो में भी हमने यही बताया था।
Yes, sir.
चलिए, let's go to the next one. अगला
Yes.
देखते हैं अभी हम।
Done.
जी, what is the name you have mentioned?
So this is the eclectic feel that we are going to give at any place.
Okay.
चेस्टर है, बट जो मेटालिक लेदराइट है उसके वजह से थोड़ा एनर्जेटिक आ गया है, एक्लेक्टिक आ गया है, थोड़ा स्टाइलिश बन गया है चेस्टर।
Right.
चेस्टर वर ऑलवेज व्हाट यू से ग्रैंड, बट हियर द चेस्टर इज स्टाइलिश।
Chester is generally actually little more towards corporate और leather
Yes.
या फिर उसमें बनता था वो।
एक चेस्टर का एक मान्यता ये हो गई कि लोगों की भाई चेस्टर है तो वो या तो लग्जरी हाउस है या फिर वो सीरीन हाउस है, बट खाली उसके लिए उसको किसी ने भी थोड़ा
Trendy नहीं किया।
ट्रेंडी या चिक ऐड करने के लिए नहीं किया है।
Exactly.
So this is what we have made there. So this can go in lounges, this can go in home theaters, this can go anywhere
Okay.
with Chester look, comfort and every other thing.
What is that material that we have used?
Metallic leather, right, sir?
Okay, done. It's creating a lot of bling,
Yes.
especially because of this perforation and a lot of Chesterfield work done
हाँ,
on
yes.
this.
उसके ऊपर जितना लाइट और पड़ेगा उतना और अच्छा दिखना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा ये।
Right.
And
Okay.
with that we have given a beautiful combination of two blue color chairs with prints, ताकि वो भी अपनी जगह स्टैंड आउट हो जाए और ये भी अपनी जगह स्टैंड आउट हो जाए।
चलिए. So how much is this for?
So ये total set I think we can give it to the client, the sofa and two chairs in approximately 2,10,000 rupees.
All right. ठीक है, डन. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन नाउ.
Yes.
उससे पहले एक चीज बता दें कि जो चेस्टर में जो मेटल बेस है ना, क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा जो कॉस्ट जो है इसमें है
सबसे ज्यादा नीचे का मेटल का फ्रेम
मेटल का फ्रेम का कॉस्ट होगा इसमें. प्योर सॉलिड होता है वो अंदर ना
पूरा
नीचे.
सॉलिड पाइप से मेटल का फ्रेम बना है और उसके ऊपर में पूरा सॉलिड वुड स्ट्रक्चर से चेस्टर को बिठाया गया है।
एग्जैक्टली. डन. ये मेरे ख्याल से एक बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है टुवर्ड्स द
Yes.
कॉस्ट.
Yes.
राइट. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन.
यस सर,
जी बताइए.
यस सर, ये भी हमारा बोहेमियन कैटेगरी के लिए एक सेटअप है, वेयर द शैंडिलियर, द सोफास एंड एवरी अदर थिंग आर केप्ट लिटिल डार्कर, डार्क ग्रीन, एमरल्ड ग्रीन में बनाया है, विथ वाइन कलर के साथ में एक्सेंट चेयर्स ऐड की है, एंड द सेंटर टेबल इज आल्सो द सेम कलर ऑफ द फैब्रिक व्हिच इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द टाइम्स।
ओके.
एंड आपका ऊपर ब्लैक एनएसएल का टॉप लगा के शैंडिलियर से मैच किया है उसको पूरा।
ठीक है.
So any person having pure white house can take this set. Pure grey house can take this set. उनको जो थीम बनाना है वो थीम बना सकते हैं इससे. This is like a set that they can pick and keep it at their house. It
Exactly.
will look beautiful at any place.
Right.
Except cream flooring, they can take it anywhere.
Okay, done. So it's like the whole concept.
Yes, the whole concept.
Okay, it's a complete concept in itself. You have got 3-seater, then 2-seater. There's a bench,
Yes.
and there's a designer fabric used in this, that we have covered with the Onyx.
Yes. this
Very
is a removable tray. Like for high tea and all, you can keep your snacks, tea, and everything on this. And if you want to remove this, so you have a beautiful piece of fabric there for setting as well.
Okay.
So it's a multi-purpose bench that we have showcased here.
Any idea how much this designer must be charging for this fabric?
Which one?
Per meter.
This is a Sabyasachi fabric. Original Sabyasachi, where the fabric cost is 16,000 rupee per meter.
I wanted to say this. Actually, this, you know, it's, there's a cost involved with every single designer.
Yes.
And they have their own style. They have their own
Yes.
signature.
See, sir, a designer piece is not valued from its making cost.
Right.
It is valued by the time that the designer has spent in designing it.
Exactly. So it does it give you, I mean, I would think most of the people, those who use these kind of things, be it Sabyasachi or Versace or Louis Vuitton or Bentley, so there's nothing wrong in using it as long as it's satisfying you, right?
Sir, two things. It is satisfying you by looks. It is satisfying your pocket.
Right.
If it is both, then you can go for it.
It should match your
ठीक है,
lifestyle.
वहाँ
that's all.
पर लोग जिनको नॉलेज नहीं है कि ये लेवल के भी फैब्रिक्स आते हैं, वो बोल सकते हैं कि ये कुर्सी 1 लाख की क्यों है, या उसमें 80,000 का फैब्रिक है.
वही मैं इसीलिए ये वाला मैंने टॉपिक रेज किया यहाँ पे, ताकि हम अपने व्यूअर्स को बता सके कि जिस तरह से बड़े डिजाइनर्स छोटे लो प्रोडक्ट को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करते, उसी तरीके से जो इकोनॉमी सेक्शन के बायर्स हैं वो टॉप सेगमेंट के बायर्स को मेरे ख्याल से क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करना चाहिए. ये उनका अपना सेटिस्फेक्शन है, आपका अपना
सेटिस्फेक्शन है. एक्सक्लूसिविटी इज व्हाट, स्पेंडिंग मोर एंड गेटिंग एक्सक्लूसिव इज वन थिंग.
राइट, वेरी ट्रू.
स्पेंडिंग मीडियम एंड गेटिंग एक्सक्लूसिविटी इज वन थिंग.
एग्जैक्टली.
ठीक है, और स्पेंडिंग लेस एंड गेटिंग common items is also one thing. So every people with their budget, they define their category.
Right.
If I'm making a 3 BHK flat and it is in a posh location like in Jubilee Hills in Hyderabad or Sadrganj in Delhi, then people will spend more there because the flat value is more, their spending capacity is more.
Right.
Well,
Gitesh, one thing that has recently been introduced is they're like economical versus elite. There was always a constant war between them. It's a verbal war. Previously, elites used to be more verbal when it comes to the criticizing the lower segment. Now, recently, I've seen even the mid segment has become more verbal when it comes to criticizing elite. Yes. Elite has gone silent. The more you are exposed to people, the more criticism you get. I'm not talking about you, nothing to do with you, but I didn't know where to look at, so I was looking at you and telling this. So I request all the people, those belonging to that mid segment, I belong to the lower mid segment. I am saying that, but I do not criticize the elite segment.
No, sir, see, criticism is somewhere where it's person's mentality. It is not a segment. We cannot tell कि lower segment is criticizing HNIs or HNIs are criticizing lower segment.
No, what I'm saying is social media has opened gates for everyone.
Few people in them, they try to make this as their agenda and try to become famous.
No, what I'm saying is just sober down. I mean, bring your tools back to the case. And let's put your gun back to the box. And
just show it, don't shoot it.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let's talk about this one now. How much is this whole concept for?
Sir, ये पूरा concept जैसा आपका 4+2 seater sofa, एक center table, एक bench, 2 chair, would land to the client around 2.5 to 3 lakh rupees.
All right.
मतलब एक पूरा रूम उनका हो जाएगा लग्जरी,
जिसमें पूरा बेंच है, सेंटर टेबल है, 2 चेयर है.
4 सीटर सोफा, 2 सीटर सोफा, एक बेंच, एक सेंटर टेबल और 2 एक्सेंट चेयर्स.
ऑलराइट, चलिए ठीक है. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन नाउ. अगला देखते हैं अभी हम.
ये आ गया सर आपका स्कैंडिनेवियन, वेयर वी आर मिक्सिंग ब्राउन एंड क्रीम एंड अगेन हाइलाइटिंग इट विद ब्राउन कुशन्स. ब्यूटीफुल, सॉफ्ट, सोबर, एलिगेंट सेटअप है. नॉट मच ऑफ बल्की हैंडलेस, नॉट मच ऑफ बल्की seating, but comfortable, serene looking.
Full comfortable.
Yeah, for compact spaces as well as bigger spaces also, where you want to make the room look bigger, then these type of pieces are preferred.
All right. This is 4-seater?
Yes, sir. 4-seater. Why? Because the handles are less in the same length.
So you get the space for
You get
seating.
the space for 4 people to sit.
All right.
Luxury 3-seater, standard 4-seater. This is 2.5 seater. This is 1-seater.
All right, done. We generally talk about the whole concept. So
Yes.
4, 3, and
4,
1.
3 and 1.
Okay.
Total 7-seater. This is, and the price is 1,40,000 rupee. That is 20,000 rupee per seat in platinum category.
All right. Good you mentioned the prices because this combination of 4, 3, 1.
4 to 1.
4 to 1 may not be suitable for a lot of people.
So we can customize, no?
So it can be customized.
Yeah, it can be
right?
customized for at any sizes, at any color and any other thing. This is just a piece for display.
All right.
That people are seeing it coming, they can have a look and feel and they can just tell the colors which is going. We can make this in black and white with hound tooth as well.
Okay. We have done that earlier.
We have not done that earlier. That was a different design. We'll show
Acha.
that also.
Okay.
But the next sofa that we are going to show
Is Hans.
that same color can be also given to this.
All right.
Or any color combinations. If any dining chair the customer like the color, like that lock prints that we are showing in the Bohemian, that color also can be given to this for highlighting it.
Okay, done.
So it's totally the colors that play the role.
All
The
right.
model only for the comfort and aesthetic looks. Colors, they highlight the space, they degrade the space, they match the space.
Okay, done. Let's go to the next one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Last but not the least, this is the fabric we were talking about.
Yes.
Houndstooth.
Houndstooth with suede combination with gold metal frame totally. A beautiful setup with beautiful coffee tables where the coffee table is also matching the entire base. This is like a showstopper that we can
Exactly.
tell you. The
Right.
last piece in the video, but the best,
I think it's one of the finest pieces.
finest pieces.
For various reasons. Of course, my favorite Houndstooth fabric.
The
And then again,
fabric,
we have
the
used
size.
little larger size of the print rather
Yes.
than going for a small.
Yes.
Okay. Second is the color combination is very good. Third, what I liked is the dimension. You have played with lot of what do you call that? Shapes. I was trying to understand that. Okay. So a lot of shapes. Center table has got 3 different shapes, right?
Yes. Three different shapes, 3 different sizes. Shapes
Okay.
तो same है sir, circle है पूरे.
तीनों circle है, but
Circle है, but
height है,
different
no levels हैं.
Yeah, levels and sizes.
All right, done. Very nice, very beautiful. This again is 431,
This is again 421.
421.
421. ये 421 विद सेंटर टेबल का भी साथ में हम दे सकते हैं क्लाइंट को. अगर खाली 421 चाहिए
Okay.
तो वो भी दे सकते हैं क्लाइंट को हम.
चलिए ठीक है. Last तो इसका price.
इसका प्राइस 421 विद सेट ऑफ 3 कॉफी टेबल्स 2.5 lakhs.
2.5 lakhs. Okay,